Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to translate Wattpad stories into English or the other way around. For example, from English to Spanish or English to Japanese. All right. Now, first up, and here in your Wattpad app, just go ahead and go to the top right. Now tap on the gear icon, tap on it. Now scroll all the way down until you find the preferred story section. All right. Just tap on story language and here you have multiple options. All right. Now it says here, this won't change the app's language. To do that, you'll have to change the system's language. All right. Now, for example, I'm going to select Filipino right here. I'm going to tap on it and go back. Okay. Go back and read a story. For example, this one. All right. As you can see here, it is now set to Filipino. Now, if you want to get it back to English, just tap your profile again and tap the cogwheel, story language, and then go back to English. Going back. All right. I'm going to hit on continue reading right here. And here we have the English version. All right. The other one is by tapping on share right here at the bottom right. Just tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on copy link. Okay. Once that's done, open up your favorite browser. Now tap on the URL box. Now paste that in here. Hit on search. Just tap on next, next, next. Got it. And here as you can see, it is in English. Now to change the language, go ahead and tap on three dots. Now go ahead and tap on translate. Right? Tap on the settings right here. And you have the more languages option. Just go ahead and select your preferred language and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.